update! Good day, fellow townspeople. Today, I just want to tell you that despite having the supposed availability for vaccines, several cases here in the Philippines are hit with an outbreak or highly contagious whooping cough, with over 500 reported cases mainly involving children. Pertussis are also called whooping cough. It's a respiratory disease caused by Portella pertussis bacteria. It causes rapid, violent, and uncontrolled coughing, which can go up to no wheels or more. Here are the symptoms if you have pertussis or whooping cough: runny or stuffy nose, low-grade fever, occasional coughing, apnea or phases in breathing. So, if you have these symptoms, please go to your doctor immediately to avoid any worsening of the symptoms. Do not forget to drink plenty of water to support our immune system. It's me, Shail De Leon, your reporter here in Rizal News Forecast.